We are out here on the Columbia River, here with Joel and Julie, salmon fishing for some kings right below Rocky Reach Dam. Alright, this is our second lap. It's about to be 7 in 6 minutes. Okay, gonna switch up the colors we're using. This is gonna be the same setup for pretty much everything. A super bait. Alrighty, that's looking good. Got some shrimp oil. A couple drops like that. Okay, so we're gonna be switching out rotten banana with the hot tamale. Okay, and when you're gonna let it go, always put the super bait in first, and then everything else. Make sure it's not tangled up. I'm gonna reset the counter and let it go. But yep, that's it. Alrighty. This is my first year ever salmon fishing, so I'm pretty much a noob, but this is what I've learned so far.
Okay, Julie has her first fish.
Those on the change, right? Yep.
Let me know what you want me to do. We are right here at the dam. Okay, keep your rod tip up, Julie. Remember, keep it tight. Keep it tight.
Her hair.
Oh, okay, sorry. Okay, just go.
Yep.
Oh my. It's okay, Julie. It's heavy.
You got it.
Oh my, Julie, you got this. This is really a huge fish.
Should I stand a little bit more this way?
Okay, you got this. You're close. You're close, Julie.
Oh my gosh.
It's humongous, Julie. Corey, you're gonna have to. Please, Cardo. You're doing good, Julie.
You're doing good.
Come on, Cardo. There you go. There you go. You're shaking.
That's it.
That's a huge fish.
Okay.
Let me see.
Nice. Here, Julie's fish right here. Want to hold it?
Wow.
Yeah,
Julie.
Oh no, you can.
That was awesome, Julie. Here.
It's a nice one. It's got a little scar right there.
How do you hold it?
Okay, guys. So you'll never guess what happened. We're finally back to fishing, but Joel had to take a little dip. We ended up going all the way down there, just getting everything set up. We changed out some lures, and when we decided to come back up, Joel was gonna go put the trolling motor up, and he fell straight in, head first, into the water.
Hey, but I didn't lose anything. I didn't lose my hat. Didn't lose my perks.
I know, surprise.
I fell in with my perks.
He only lost his dignity. Yeah, anyways, now we got 2 rods. I was on a cup plug. We're trolling again, and hopefully we can get on another fish. That was pretty exciting. Yeah, let's go. Idling. Oh, we got one.
Okay, reel it in. Or that one, the other one. Sorry. Or yeah. No!
Fell off? No, you have it.
No, it's off.
No way. It's okay. It's okay.
Okay.
Dang.
Yeah, put it
Dude,
back
what? it's a curse. He's lost like every single fish he's ever.
Whoa.
Oh yeah, so Joel has lost every single fish he's ever hooked into. Joel's gonna never touch another rod again. What I've saw in videos is you want this hook to be right, its point right at the back. Oh, watch out, sorry. Right at the back of the super bait. I just got a bite on this one.
Get ready.
We'll see if we can hook into another one. Okay, we're gonna hit it with some UV. Okay, you're good, Will. Okay, so here is Julie's fish. There it is. Nice one, Julie. This is her first fish.
My first salmon ever.
Oh, her first salmon, yep. It has a little scar there. But other than that, I mean, nice, healthy, fat. You know, it's not salmon fishing if you don't bring blueberry covered pretzels.
Or these.
Or chile limon lays.
Yeah, that's the way to go.
Only my Hispanic subscribers would know. I still think we can catch one more. We can do it. Yep. Oh, yep. Nice. Okay, I got this one.
Okay, you got it, dude. You got it.
Yep.
Keep attention. Keep attention. Loosen the drag a little. Okay, wait up. One second.
I think I lost it.
No, you. Oh, no way you did.
Oh, it's okay. See what I say? We can still do it. Oh, fish just jumped right there. They're around. They're active. We're gonna catch one.
So slippery. My head.
Nice. Like 2 bites in the last 10 minutes. It's a good sign. We're so close to the dam. Look at that, guys. It's right there. Okay, I'm gonna turn us.
Yeah, you do.
Julie caught one.
Oh my.
Nice, Julie.
Slow. Now keep it on that side while you hit the net. Slow. Put it. Okay. Okay, got it.
Okay, check. Does it have a fin? Is it wild?
No, it's good.
Okay, good. Okay, Julie's limited out. Alrighty, we just finished up our last lap. Now we're making our way downstream. Gonna be trolling for the next, I don't know, 5 minutes or so, and then we're gonna pick up the lines and head home. Thank you guys for joining in, and catch you guys later.